Hi ATV makers, my name is Mrs. Bella and I'm going to show you how to make a balloon powered car from recycled materials. So what you will need, you'll need some thin cardboard. I chose a soda carton. You're going to need an empty soda can, or you can use a water bottle. You need a straw, two pencils, a balloon, a rubber band, a piece of notebook paper, a cup, or this is going to be used to trace the wheels. So anything that's a circle, tape, and scissors. If you don't have two pencils, you might use two pens. If you don't have Scotch tape, you might use masking tape. So be creative. Look around your house, see what you have, because it doesn't have to look exactly like mine.